The Jakarta Mass Rapid Transit Jakarta MRT is a rapid transit system in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. The train set is colloquially named Ratanga, which means war chariot in the ancient Javanese language. The Jakarta MRT is the first subway or underground railway system in Indonesia. The system is operated by PT MRT Jakarta Municipally Owned Corporation of the City of Jakarta. Phase 1 of the project, Lebak Bulus to Bundaran HI, was officially opened on March 24, 2019. The Jakarta MRT is expected to stretch across over 108 kilometers, including 21.7 kilometers for the red north-south line from Lebak Bulus to Kota and 87 kilometers for the yellow east-west line from Cikarang to Balaraya. The red north-south line will be built in two phases. After completion of MRT Phase 1 and 2, the MRT together with Trans-Jakarta are predicted to serve 60% total trips made by Jakartans. Phase 1 connects Lebak Bulus to Bundaran HI along 15.7 kilometers and consists of 30 stations, 7 elevated stations and 6 underground stations. Phase 1 was opened for free service on 24 March 2019. Commercial service began on 1st April 2019. Phase 1 is expected to serve 212,000 passengers per day. The expected capacity may be maxed out to 960,000 per day. The 15.7 kilometer distance is covered in under 30 minutes. Phase 2 will extend the red north-south line northwards from Bundaran HI to Kota and consists of 7 stations over 7.8 kilometers. It is planned to be operational by 2024. A second line, Yellow Line, is planned to run east-west from Cikarang, West Java to Balaraja, Banten via central Jakarta. It is envisioned to be 87 kilometers long. Just like the north-south line, the east-west line will also be built in phases. The east-west line is planned to interchange with the north-south line at Sarina station. Phase 3 will be 31.7 kilometers long and stretches from Kaladirs to Ajang Menten. It is currently under architectural design studies and construction is targeted to begin in Q2 2020. The Jakarta MRT employs a cashier's fare payment system. A dedicated contactless smart card known as Jelajah can be purchased from the ticketing machines or ticket offices located at every station. Half-height platform screen doors, PSDs, are installed at platforms of elevated stations, while full-height platform screen doors are used at platforms of the underground stations. Trains and stations are equipped with CCTV, which is monitored from the control room. Medical rooms are also available at every station to provide first aid to passengers and workers if necessary. Security officers are regularly stationed at stations and trains. Contract CP-108 for the procurement of rolling stock for the Jakarta MRT was awarded to a consortium led by Sumitomo Corporation on the 3rd March 2015. 16 6-car train sets were ordered. Each car measures 20 meters in length, 2.9 meters in width, and 3.9 meters in height. The trains utilize CBTC signaling system and are equipped with automatic train operation ATO, with drivers operating the doors and driving in case of emergencies. Like the KRL commuter line, the MRT trains are also powered via overhead catenary.